Hey guys, another simple circuit thought I would share is a close proximity AM transmitter. You can see built up on a breadboard. So the component values may change the frequency a little bit based on parasitic capacitance, etc. You can see the power supply here, 5 volts, being fed from a 9-volt battery using again 1 op-amp. Bluetooth receiver to stream some music, back over to the receiver, 4 resistors, 6 capacitors, 1 RF choke itself. On the output side, the 2K pot, and that's about it. So a real simple design. Thought I would share that with you guys. Check out the video description if you want a link to the schematic itself. Have fun building. Everyone out there take care. Stay well. And the harmonic distortion is approximately 40 dB down. Thanks again for watching.